Hi, my name is Michelle Ferguson, and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today, I'm going to show you how to crochet the Bonnie Bell Sunhat. The Bonnie Bell Sunhat is one of my very first patterns that I've just given an update and a refresh. It has instructions for 7 sizes, all the way from newborn to adult. For this project, I'm going to be using Lion Brand 24/7 cotton yarn. This is a worsted 100% mercerized cotton yarn. You'll need a crochet hook. I'm using an H5mm Furl Streamline Wood crochet hook. You'll need some scissors, a yarn needle for weaving in your ends, and a measuring tape to check your gauge and your sizing. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, for time purposes, I'm going to be making the newborn size. I'm using the Lion Brand 24/7 cotton in the colorway denim. And let's go ahead and get started. Stick my yarn over there. All right, to start, we are going to be creating a magic circle. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your yarn and you're going to wrap it around your first two fingers like so. So it goes around twice. Then I'm inserting my hook into that first loop that I have around and grabbing the second one and pulling it underneath the first, like so. Then I have my hook in here. I'm going to kind of pinch it with my thumb and hold it together like that. Now I'm going to be working into that circle that I've created. So I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm going to work 10 double crochet into the circle for round 1. So I'm just working right around that circle, and I'm doing 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, I've got my 10 double crochet. I'm going to take this end piece and I'm going to pull and just pull it tight. And that's what's going to create our circle and our starting round. Now, to join, I'm going to insert my hook into the 2 loops of the first stitch, that first double crochet that I did, not the chain, the double crochet. And then I'm going to grab my yarn and do a slip stitch to join it. So that is the beginning of round 1. Now for round 2, we're going to chain 2, and we're going to do 2 double crochet in the same stitch as our starting chain. And then we're going to do 2 double crochet in each stitch around. So we're doubling the number of stitches. And so we're going to have 20 double crochet once we get to the end. All right, I've completed my 20 double crochet, and then I'm going to join to the first with a slip stitch. And that is round 2. Okay, so for round 3, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to increase by 10 again. So we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to work 2 double crochet in that same stitch, and then just 1 double crochet in the next. And then we're going to repeat that all the way around. So 2 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet in the next, then 2 double crochet, and 1 double crochet. And do that all the way around, and then join to the first with a slip stitch. All right, I've completed round 3, and now round 4 is our last increase for the newborn size. So we're going to increase by 10 up to 40. So we're going to chain 2. We're going to do 2 double crochet in the first, and then we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2. And then we're going to repeat that sequence. So 2 double crochet in the next, and 1 double crochet in each of the next 2. So work that repeat all the way around and then join to your first stitch with a slip stitch. All right, we've completed round 4. We have 40 double crochet stitches, and now we're ready to get into our cross double crochet stitch rounds. So we're starting with round 5. We're going to chain 2. We're going to skip that first stitch, that same stitch that we work our chain 2, and then we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2. And I do have a video tutorial on just this stitch, the cross double crochet stitch. I will link it so that you can check that out as well. Now I'm going to do a double crochet over those 2 stitches and into that 1 stitch that I skipped. And that's going to create my cross double crochet. So we're going to do that again. We're going to skip 1 stitch and do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2. And then we're going to work a double crochet over those 2 stitches into the skip stitch. All right, let's do that one more time. Skip 1, do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2. Work a double crochet over those stitches into your skip stitch. And that creates your cross double crochet. So work that all the way around. For the newborn size, you're going to have 1 stitch left at the end, and you're just going to work 1 double crochet in it. So I will show you that once I get to the end of the round. All right, I'm at my last stitch. I've got this 1 stitch left over. So I'm going to just do 1 double crochet into that stitch and then join to my first stitch with a slip stitch. And that is round 5. It's starting to take shape as a hat. Since we're not increasing anymore, it's going to give you that bowl shape. So now for round 6 and 7, we're just going to repeat round 5. For our newborn size, you'll do more repeats for the bigger sizes, but these just have 3 rows of the cross double crochet rounds. Okay, so skip 1. Do 1 double crochet into the next 2. So you're just going to work right into the stitches, top of the stitches, like you would if you were working over these stitches. It doesn't affect it in any way. So now we're going to do our double crochet into the skipped, and then we're going to skip 1 again, do 2 double crochet, and 1 into the skipped. So work that all the way around for round 6 and 7. You've got your 1 double crochet at the end, and then you join to your first stitch with a slip stitch. All right, I have completed through round 7. We've done our cross double crochet rounds, and we are ready to move on to our brim. So for the brim, we're moving from double crochet to single crochet stitches. So round 8 just says to chain 1 and to do a back loop only single crochet in the same stitch and in each stitch around. So I've got my 2 loops here. I'm just going to work into that back loop of my stitch and do 1 single crochet. And I'm just doing 1 single crochet in that back loop only all the way around. And then I'm going to join to my first stitch with a slip stitch, just like I've been doing. All right, I've completed round 8. I just did single crochet in the back loop only all the way around. So now for round 9, we're going to start increasing again, except this time we're doing single crochet, and this is going to create our big, fluffy, ruffly brim. All right, so I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to work 2, nope, we're working in both loops. So you want to work in both loops from now on again. We're going to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch as your starting chain. Then I'm going to do 1 single crochet in each of the next 3. Okay, then we're going to repeat 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in each of the next 3. So we're increasing by 10 stitches again, and we're going to have a total of 50 single crochet at the end of this round. So 2 stitches in the next, 1 single crochet in each of the next 3. And do that all the way around and join to your first stitch with a slip stitch. All right, round 9 is complete. I have 50 single crochet around. Now we're ready for round 10, which is another increase by 10 stitches to 60 single crochet. So I'm going to just chain 1 here. I'm going to work 2 double crochet in that first stitch. And then I'm going to do 1 single crochet. I said double crochet. 2 single crochet in that first stitch, 1 single crochet in each of the next 4. And then I'm going to repeat 2 single crochet in the next, 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. And repeat that all the way around. All right, round 10 is complete. I have 60 single crochet stitches. You can see it's starting to flare out a little bit for our brim. So now for round 11, we're going to increase by 10 again to get 70 single crochet. So for this one, we're chaining 2 single crochet in the first, and then 1 single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we'll repeat 2 single crochet in the next, and 1 single crochet in each of the next 5. All right, and continue to repeat that around until you get to the end. All right, we are done with round 11. We have 70 single crochet stitches. For newborn size, we've got 1 more round of increases. We've got to get to 80 stitches now. So I'm going to chain 1, 2 double crochet in the same. Nope, 2 single crochet in the same. I keep saying double crochet. 1 single crochet in each of the next 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and then we repeat. So 2 single crochet in the same, 1 single crochet in each of the next 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And repeat that all the way around. Okay, we have completed round 12. We have 80 single crochet. We've gotten it wide enough. So now we're just going to add some length to the brim right here. So for rounds 13 through 15, we're just going to be doing 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So chain 1, 1 single crochet in the first, and in each stitch around. And you're going to do that for 3 more rounds for the newborn size, just to add some length to that brim. And then you'll join and fasten off. All right, so here is what it looks like all completed. You've got your increased rounds of double crochet, your cross double crochet stitches, and then your brim in the single crochet. So this is the newborn size. Like I said, the bigger sizes will have more rounds of the cross double crochet. This is the adult size, so you can see the comparison. But yeah, it's a really quick and simple and beautiful little sun hat for your little one or for yourself for the summer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I would love it if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel, and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.